Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to add a family member to your about page on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, to add a family member to your about page, let's open up our Facebook app. After that, we'll be required to tap on the profile picture icon, which is on the top left corner of our screen, just below the home icon. Tap over there, and after that you will find see your about info on the bottom side of the screen. Tap over there, and now when you scroll down, you can see add a family member option available over here. Tap on that. Now it will ask you to enter your name. For me it will be and I will have to choose my relationship, and to choose it you can see the down arrow just beside choose relationship. Tap over there, and she's my mother, so I'll be tapping on mother. But if you want to add a member more than your mom, you can add everybody you like. You can see all these options available of your relatives. Now let's choose mom and let's save it. And there guys, you can see my mom Pratibha Shrestha has been appeared or has been displayed on my about section of my profile. And there guys, this is how you add a family member to the about page of your Facebook profile. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.